Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open your Chrysler 300 key fob. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2032 battery. This simple task can be completed in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started by locating the emergency key. To begin, find the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the emergency key. This action exposes a small slot or seam, which is where we'll insert our tool. Be gentle but firm when removing the key. Now, with the emergency key removed, insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into the exposed slot. Carefully twist the screwdriver to gently pry apart the two halves of the key fob. You should hear a slight click as the casing separates. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Once open, carefully remove the old CR 2032 battery, noting its positive and negative orientation. Insert the new battery, ensuring it's correctly positioned. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Don't forget to reinsert the emergency key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.